Hello class 3 students. Today on this whiteboard I am going to teach you English 1. Now as you know I have completed the chapter The Frog in a Well. Now today I will discuss the answers with you. The Frog in a Well. A Frog in a Well is written by Alice Kettle, who is an American writer who has written many popular books for children. So, you know something about the poet. The poem tells us how a frog sees the world from its well. From this poem, you get to know that how a frog sees the world from the well. Now here, exercise A, complete these sentences. Complete these sentences. Number 1. The world is dash, comma, dash, and dash. Now what will be that? The world is dash, dash, and dash. The world is dash, dash, and dash. Find it by your own. I will write it. The world is round, deep, and cool. The world is round, deep, and cool. Let me go to the next one. Number 2. The bottom of the world is a what? Dash. The bottom of the world is a pool. Pool means a water body. Pool. Clear? Let me go to number 3. The walls of the world are made of the walls of the world is made up of what? Stone. Made up of stones. Made up of stones. Number 4. The sky is dash and dash. The sky is dash and dash. When the frog looks up, when the frog looks up, he sees a little bit of the sky, and the little bit is round in shape. Why? As because the mouth of the whale is also round in shape. So the sky is little and round. Got it? So the sentences are completed. The sentences are completed. Put full stop after each sentence. If you have completed, I will give you 1 minute time, complete it. Then I will go to the questions. Okay. B. Answer these questions in your own words. You are asked to answer the question in your own words, as because this is a poem. क्योंकि ये एक poem है, तुम poem का lines answer में use नहीं कर सकते हो. तुम्हें यहाँ पे खुद का ज्ञान देके खुद का सेंटेंस बनाना पड़ेगा ये आंसर लिखने के लिए. So let me write the first question. Who is the speaker? How do you know? Who is the speaker? How do you know? Answer. Here, the speaker is a frog. Here, the speaker is a frog. Now you are asked, how do you know that the speaker is a frog? Look here in the poem. Look at the last two lines of the first stanza of the poem. With just enough room for a frog alone. With just enough room for a frog alone. So I will write, in the first stanza, we note that the poet, not the poet but the speaker, that the speaker mentions that there in the well there is only enough room for a frog. For a frog. Not anyone else. What is the meaning of this? In the first stanza, we note that the speaker mentions that there in the whale, there is only enough room for a frog, not anyone else, और किसी के लिए जगह नहीं है. Thus, we get to know that the speaker is a frog. Full stop. This is the end of the answer. Write it down. Before I go to the next question, write it down. B2. Where is the speaker? Where is the speaker? Speaker कहाँ पे है? Which lines in the poem tell you that? This is a question. Now here comes your answer. Where is the speaker? Where is the frog? At the bottom of the well. At the bottom of the well. Isn't it so? The speaker is at the bottom of the well. Full stop. The speaker is at the bottom of the well. The first part, the first question is solved. The next, go to the next question. Which lines in the poem tell you that? How do you know that the speaker, that means the frog, is at the bottom of the well? Again, you go to the first stanza. Again, you go to the first stanza. The bottom of the world is a pool with enough room, with just enough room for a frog alone. So, the lines, now inverted comma open, the bottom of the words, just copy it down. Copy it down to a frog alone. So, the lines, the bottom of the world's a pool with just enough room for a frog alone, comma. These lines tell us about the speaker's position. Clear? These lines tell us that the speaker is just where? Just Where? At the bottom of the well. Now let's go to the question 3. Let's go to question 3. Now have you copied these questions? I will give you 2 minutes time to copy the answers. Okay. Let's go to question number 3. What is the question here? What does the speaker think about the world? What does the speaker think about the world? Why? Is the speaker sure they are right? Look, in this question, there are 3 parts. I will answer this question in 3 parts. Answer. What does the speaker think about the world? The speaker thinks the world is round, deep, and cool. As the speaker is a frog and it lives in a well and the well is round, so and the inside weather of a well is cool enough and wells are deep enough. So according to the frog, according to the speaker, the world is now you have to write according to the speaker, the world is round, deep, and cool. The first part is answered. Next, the question is why? Why does the speaker think so? The speaker thinks so because it is a frog which lives in a well with Well, a frog which lives that lives that lives in a well which is round in shape, deep enough, and cool because of depth. গভীরতা, ডেপথ মানে গভীরতা, যেহেতু ওটা অনেক গভীর সেহেতু ওটা খুব ঠান্ডা। Now the third part, is the speaker sure they are right? Is the speaker, here the speaker is referred to the frog. Here এখানে প্রশ্নটা একটু ভুল করেছে কিনা জানি না। Is the speaker sure they are right? they বলতে এখানে বলেছে রাউন্ড, ডিপ এন্ড কুল, এটা রাইট, এটার ব্যাপারে কি শিওর? as the speaker is a frog, as the speaker is a frog, it is quite sure. And it has not gone beyond the well. It is quite sure. কি লিখলাম? as the speaker is a frog, যেহেতু বক্তা একটা frog, and it has not gone beyond the well, এবং যেহেতু সে কুয়োর বাইরে যায়নি, it is quite sure, সে নিশ্চিত যে world মানে it is deep, round and cool. Let's go to the next question. I am erasing it off. B4. Do you think the speaker wants to know more about the world? Why do you think so? Look, here are two questions. Do you think the speaker wants to know more about the world? মানে তোমার কি মনে হয় যে স্পিকার মানে ব্যাংকটা এই পৃথিবী সম্বন্ধে আরো জানতে চায়, হ্যাঁ কি না? এই অ্যানসার কি হবে? আমি লিখছি ইয়েস। এবার তোমাদের চিন্তা অনুযায়ী তোমরা ভাবতে পারো, ইয়েস the speaker wants to know more. Why do you think so? কেন এরকম ভাবছো? When the speaker looks at the night sky, it notices the star which is far enough. The speaker must অবশ্যই be anxious to see the star clearly. More clearly. And even enjoy the beauty of the sky. More vividly. দেখো এটা অ্যান্সারটা একটু হয়তো শক্তই হলো। কেন মনে হয় যে ব্যাঙটা পৃথিবী সম্বন্ধে আরো কিছু জানতে চায়? আমার একটা জিনিস মনে হয়েছে যে আকাশ এবং তারা। when the speaker মানে when the frog looks at the night sky, রাতের আকাশের দিকে তাকায়, it notices the star which is far enough. সে দেখতে পায় তারাটাকে যেটা কিনা অনেক দূরে। the speaker must be anxious. বক্তা নিশ্চয়ই খুব উৎসাহী হয়ে থাকবে to see the star more clearly, তারাটাকে আরো পরিষ্কার ভাবে দেখতে, and even enjoy the beauty of the sky more vividly, আরো পরিষ্কার ভাবে আকাশের সৌন্দর্যকে লক্ষ্য করার জন্য। সেই জন্য তার থেকে মনে হচ্ছে যে সে ওয়ার্ল্ডকে আরো বেশি দেখছে। হলো? So this is the end of today's class. Note these answers down, learn it, and if you have any problem, ask me over phone, WhatsApp, wherever you want. Thank you.